Yep.
What's up, everybody? Right now I'm on my way to go to a different trail. I was walking another one. I want to do a vlog, but there's too many people there. I'm like, just get out of the way. I want to talk without you staring at me. Anyways, I'm gonna go. It's the same trail, but it's all the way at the other end, so it might not be that many people down here. If not, I don't know.
Whoa. Doesn't seem like anybody's on this part of the trail. Yeah. Going for a walk. I don't want to be too loud though. People think I'm probably crazy talking to myself. I bought this new camera holder, and doesn't seem like it really goes that far away. Maybe if I hold it like this. Huh, that's kind of a better view. Most of the time, this is all underwater where I'm walking. I didn't even know this big rock was here. There's these people down there I'm trying to not be right in front of. They're staring at me for holding a camera.
Come here. Come here. What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing, that dog dude? What you do? What you do? What you do? What you do? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Huh?
Ready?
Whoop. Get up. What this? What this? Huh? What you do? Ready? Whoop. Whoop. Get it.
You don't have to sit on my lap.
Oh, crazy dog. Oh, crazy dog. What's crazy?
We're on the run. Mabel!
What's crazy? What's crazy dog? You got a toy? She got a toy? Huh? Oh, crazy. What's crazy?
Meow.
Standing, that's gonna be great.
Oh yeah.
You have a walk
Oh my god. Meow. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, he's a good girl.
A handful of years ago, or 2016, when he signed off for the final time. You're talking about somebody who's still at the top of his game. Still at the top of his game upon the time that he stepped away.
Look, the beach doesn't pack. Parking lot's definitely packed.
Don't miss a spot.
My cheek rub isn't good enough. Yes, sir.
Nope. You should keep a big white glob on your nose the entire time. July. July is over. It's now the beginning of August. What's up, everybody? I usually come to this path to be alone. I was going to shoot a kind of cool video on one of the beaches off of this path, but I don't know if it's just because it's really hot out, but it's packed. It's 8 o'clock at night on a Wednesday and the beaches are packed here. It was like 90 degrees out, like 96 today, but the river is like warm. It's like piss warm right now, so I wouldn't be swimming in it. But I guess a lot of people are. There's one dude having a fire in the middle, like the river's so low because of how warm it is. This one dude's having a fire. Just right in the middle of like one of the low spots. It's it's like where the what the hell is it called? Sand something. Sandbar. Yeah, he set up a fire pit right in the middle of a sandbar. Some dude's just having a fire in the middle of the river. I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. It's so low, the river is just like all rocks right now, just all big rocks. But I was gonna try to walk to a different path. Well, not a different path, a different beach further down the path. But that, I hear things running around, it's getting dark really fast. I also have work at 5 a.m., so I'm like, oh, you know what, I'll just pull out the camera and do a regular, like, walking vlog, I don't know. Yeah. It's pretty nice. Finally got a shift where I get out early. So that's cool. Before I had to work really late. Now I don't. So now I can actually enjoy summer. I had a whole thing I want to talk about, but not getting that beach threw me off. There's been like a lot of shootings in these paths, and I actually I'm using this selfie stick thing with my camera on it. It looks like I'm holding a gun. So before I get near people, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that away. What the flip is that? That's hair. I hope that's a wig. Oh yeah, it's a wig. Thank God. What if somebody was like friggin' buried? This is really zoomed in. Whoa! That's crazy.